it is given that sin x by में sin x minus a is equal to dx का integration. In this type of function we have put x minus a. The angle of denominator is equal to t, x minus a is equal to t. Now we find the value of x, x is equal to t plus a. Now transpose this a to right hand side, then this becomes t plus 1a. Now derivative of this function, derivative of x is equal to dx dt, a का derivative 0. Now this function became sin into x, x की वैल्यू यहाँ से हम पुट करेंगे t plus 1 dx change to dt, और now this became sin t. Now this is the property of sin a plus b. Sin a plus b means sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Now divided by sin t. Now here are two function in numerator and denominator one function divided by this. So now we put sin t by sin t cos a dt plus cos t by sin t sin a. Now this became sin t cancel to sin t, we get cos a. Cos a. Now integration of these is cos a is a constant term and dt integration is a t plus sin a as it is हमने बाहर ले लिया, cos upon sin we get cot t, integration of cot is cot x is equal to log sin x, log sin x, x means t. Now put the value of t, this becomes x minus a, here the value of t into cos a plus sin a log sin x minus a plus a c. This is the first question of first part of question number 13. In second part of this question we have also given that sin x by में sin x plus a. In this part also we have put x plus a is equal to t. Like this, and find the value of x and then using the property sin a minus b and then solve as first part. In third part of this question it is given that sin x plus a by में sin x minus a dx, integration of this part. We have put the denominator angle x minus a is equal to t. So now x is equal to t plus a. Derivative of this term is dx is equal to dt. So now this becomes sin, put the value of x t plus a. Then this becomes sin t plus 2a by sin t. Now this became sin a plus b by sin t. Now using this property sin a plus b is sin a cos b plus cos a sin b divided by sin t, and like this part of first do yourself. In fourth part, it is very important part of these questions. 13th, it is given that 1 by sin x minus a sin x minus b dx. इस टाइप के जो फंक्शंस का जब हम इंटीग्रेशन करते हैं तो सबसे पहले हम यहाँ चेक करते हैं कि नोमिनेटर के अंदर और डोमिनेटर के अंदर कौन सी वैल्यू को पुट करके हम वैल्यू निकाल सकते हैं. नाउ वी हैव x minus a, x minus b. These are two terms, and in this part, first part, second part, third part, we are given only one term in the denominator. So then we divide it and multiply sin b minus a, sin b minus a, divide and multiply of this. So now 1 upon sin b minus a, this and this sin b minus a written as x minus a minus x minus b. तो देखिए यहाँ अगर हम sin x minus a, इस माइनस को अंदर मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं माइनस x प्लस b, then x cancel to x, we get sin b minus a. So now this result of written at in this form. Now this form, अगर दोनों sin है तो sin है, cos है तो cos है, यहाँ मल्टीप्लाई के अंदर a minus b, b minus a, इन दोनों को आप प्लस और माइनस करके देखिएगा आपको b minus a चाहिए या a minus a b, वही रिजल्ट आपके पास आता है. तो now this became sin this a minus b. तो now sin a minus b क्या बन जाएगा, sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Now this became the identity of this. Now sin x minus a by sin x minus a, cos x minus b by में sin, this cancel this, cos upon sin we get cot x minus a b. Now and this sin x minus b cancel x minus b, cos upon sin we get cot x minus a. Now we integrate of this. Integration of cot x is log sin x. So then log sin x minus b plus log sin x minus a. Now we write this formula in log. Log m plus n will be written as 1 by sin b minus a log m by n, and it means this term into divided by this term, log sin x minus b divided by log sin x minus a, log m minus n, यानी कि log m minus log m means log m by n. तो हम इसको log m by n के अंदर लिख सकते हैं, log m और this log by n sin x minus a plus a c. In question number 15, it is 1 upon sin x plus cos x dx. इस टाइप का क्वेश्चन हमने 14 का फर्स्ट पार्ट किया था, वही क्वेश्चन हमारे पास फिर दोबारा रिपीट होके आया है. sin x dx इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ दिस फॉर्म. तो हम यहाँ स्क्वायर रूट 2 से मल्टीप्लाई और डिवाइड करते हैं डिनोमिनेटर को. देन दिस बिकेम स्क्वायर रूट 2 1 by square root 2 sin x plus cosecant 1 by root 2. Now this is sin x, we write is cos pi by 4, cos x as it is, this is sin pi by 4. Now this became the property of a sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. 1 by root 2, 1 by sin a plus b, sin a here x, b is pi by 4. 1 upon sin x plus pi by 4, it means 1 upon sin means cosecant x plus pi by 4. Now we use the integration of cosecant x is log secant x plus tan x. So then this becomes 1 by root 2 log secant x plus pi by 4 or tan x by 4. In second part, secant x a plus b tan x, we change this function in the form of secant x 1 by cos x a plus b tan x sin by cos x. Taking cos x LCM from this we get a cos x plus b sin x. Now reciprocal of cos x is cos x by 1. This cancel to this. Now this function becomes a cos x plus b sin x. Now we take the a square plus b square under the square root common out of this function and use the property of sine, then solve this. Third part of this question same as first part. In third part we multiply by these two and divided by 2 we get the result of property sin a plus a b.